All right, guys, just a real quick update. 2 weeks ago, secured a $50,000 unsecured business line of credit. That was through JP Morgan Chase Bank. That money is cleared and ready to go. In fact, I was just in my Chase Bank account, made a quick transfer. It took under 60 seconds. And I put just over $40,000 into the account. And I am now printing off a check that will be invested into a 15% ROI. Now, this is an opportunity that came to us through a coaching member. We've been working with this person since way back in 2010. The cost of this debt weapon is at 7%, 6.99, which means that we're gonna earn an 8% margin on this, which totals $322 for a $40,300 total. That $322 would have never been ours if we didn't put this money to work. That's a net profit, and we earn it every single month. Now, $322 every single month totals somewhere in the neighborhood of about $4,000 per year. I know I can do better than a 15% ROI. Some people don't look hard enough to find a way to build bigger than 15%. It's considered a fairly strong return on investment, but take a look at this. This is a check from our from one of the affiliates that we recommend. And guys, this is $3,400, $3,500, $3,440. This puts us at very close to $30,000 in income from this affiliate. And we're not doing anything for that either, other than finding somebody else's terrific service or product, and we're helping share the message. You guys can do that easily. I could take this $40,000 and grow any business with it. I could take this $40,000 and buy real estate with it. There are many different ways where this money could be put to work, where I could earn a net positive cash flow position. So don't think for 1 second that you're somehow not capable, not as capable or even more than myself. And so I'm just here to prove to you how liquid these special types of accounts are. And quite honestly, even if you're not quite eligible for the debt weapon accounts that we talk about, it's a matter of taking stepping stones to get there. We use cash flow management totally differently than most people do. So even with just basic cash flow and using it the right way, you could put yourself in a position to leverage your way to wealth. Guys, we look forward to seeing you on the next video. Before you click off of this one, make sure you check the description below for contest information. We're now giving away a $25 gift card every single week, giving away a 2-hour one-on-one Skype coaching session every single month for the next 5 months, of which we're gonna pick one of those winners for the grand prize. We're gonna fly you to Denver. So make sure you are a subscriber first and foremost, become part of the Cash Flower community. Number 2, make sure you put a comment below. Do you have ways that you could invest money with a new debt weapon? If you had an extra $50,000 that was completely liquid, which you could get access to within 60 seconds, would you have a way to create more wealth with that? It's time to start thinking about these things, especially with the economic downturn just on the horizon. If you're not taking things more seriously than ever, blood will soon be on the streets. You most certainly don't want it to be yours. So make sure you're a subscriber, become part of the notification squad so that you're alerted every time a new video is uploaded, and we'll see you guys on the next one shortly. Until then, make it a great day and take care.